Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 18 November 2021. And today's video topic is iterative statement. So let's discuss about iterative statement. Uh, uh, what is iterative statement? Uh, or what can use when can use iterative statement, and what features about iterative statement. So let's start the iterative statement. First is a while statement in Java. The while statement is used to execute a single statement or a block of statement repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. The while statement is also known as entry control looping statement. Next iterative statement is do while statement in Java. The do while statement is used to execute a single statement or a block of statements repeatedly as long as given the condition is true. The do while statement is also known as the exit control looping statement. So these are the two iterative statement. Let's discuss about next two statement. The iterative for statement in a Java. What is a for statement? The for statement is used to execute a single statement or a block of statement repeatedly as long as the condition is true. In a for statement, the execution begins with the initialization statement, and after the initialization of a for statement, it execute a condition. So last statement is a for each statement, which is a very easy statement in that iterative statement. For each statement is the in the Java for each statement was introduced in Java 5 version, and it provide an approach to uh, traverse throughout an array or collection in Java. The for each statement is also known as enhanced for each statement. Uh, the for each statement is executed. The for each statement is executed. The block of statement is execute. So that's all about iterative statement. Thank you.